Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Thank you so much to everyone who has been a part of this channel so far. And if it's your first time here, welcome, and I hope you find this content helpful and join the family as well. Currently, I'm trying to get to 8,000 subscribers, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe as that will be super appreciated. Today, I'm sharing with you what you can do with these bad boys. Yep, I'm talking about those ripe, black-spotted, unappetizing looking bananas that you may or may not have forgotten to eat when you had the chance. I am a huge fan of zero waste, which means that if I purchase something, I have to use it. So I saw these guys in my fruit bowl and decided that I will share with you 4 ways that you can use these guys so that their potential is not put to waste. So let's get into recipe number 1. hope these recipes today helped you to figure out ways that you can incorporate ripe bananas into your meals. Please leave a comment and let me know what recipe you're going to try first. Have an amazing day. Remember to love others and love yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.